Boys playing 7-Up at their sleepover. And of course, Daddy's playing too.
Yeah,
it's a little kid.
Wait. Look, be quiet. I ain't talking about y'all. I'm talking about the people that's standing up.
Put your head down. Put your head down until we tell you to bring it up.
Now everybody stand over there. Stand over there. Okay, heads up. Heads up. Eddie, tell me who pushed your thumb.
Justin.
Justin? Nope. You good, Justin. Who pushed your thumb? Sherrod?
Yes.
Okay,
all right,
switch.
I knew you were gonna pick me. I told you you were gonna pick me.
Who picked you?
Justin.
Justin.
Switch places.
Boom!
Switch places
Come
with
on,
them,
come sit
Justin.
down, buddy.
Boom!
Who picked you?
Michael.
Michael? Okay, who picked you?
Zion. Wait,
No.
what are you guys looking?
Who picked you, Zion?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you can't tell on yourself, Liam.
Oh, Liam.
Okay, take it.
Now you gotta sit down, Liam.
Liam, you gotta let him guess. You can't tell him it was you.
Michael.
All right.
Oh, wait.
That's everybody.
Hey,
You
yeah.
picked somebody.
Names up.
No, Rajon was up there, wasn't he?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why you didn't pick anybody? 5
He
people.
did. Daddy got it wrong.
Oh, Daddy got it wrong.
I'm good, Daddy. I'm good. Mom, you said
All right,
Daddy.
hey, all right. Listen. Everybody pick somebody and then go back.
Back, yeah.
All right.
Okay,
All right,
go ahead.
We're gonna do it one at a time.